Wahun baby a mede wa be kire abakosem. Ofuman ya santefo dia. Na ofuman suma santia for be more than mfia hanu. Ansa ne be chi prempeko. Bachi prempa so koye na bebaye no. Bebe restoration no. Ofuman da so eba asante. Eti asase no by that judgment alone 8 December 1941 that judgment no. Ama wonye achinye so ofuman ka so som asante hene a. Achinye. Such ignorance. I am sorry to use this words. Because but I do that be a some issue. Because what make an be di matem. But me too mreno. No me chile see. Mere 8th December 1941. It was 32 hours a CS at no. Ne bangono. It is as Antene Gogasa. Obriboy. Quay research man. Namna nanumbere ufuma na ebedia. Mrampa. Ebedia. Because our judgment 8 December 1941 and the title of the case Kojo Safo versus Chief Ayensu and others an interpreter someone no Kofi Buadwo. Another lesson yebesua fi that judgment himself. Touchy man ya wo se see touchy free touchy man no. Yes no. Near friend Kwesi Safo. We mogo nko apart mo amde nam. Near friend Kwesi Safo. Now I ofuma hene ne friend Kofi Ayensu. Kofi Ayensu kwaji Kwesi Safo bosia. No kwaji bosia no. Be ye krata no. Odi asase ne si awoa. Entino Kofi Ayensu antua. Ana Kwesi Safo de court Kumase. Ni ba bia Kwesi Safo bem. Na Kwesi Safo akwakoto Kofi Satan kra na Kofi Ayensu na ben yaw ka ho na ameboa ka ho ben nyina be yofumanfo ahemfo. Ya bere no ekronti hene. Nti Kwesi Safo ya so koto na asase no. Ana Kofi Abodwo no tachiman krontire. Okotieb. Okoye bi friend interpreter sobos. So asase no we tiem na enye ofumanfo dia na tachimanfo dia. Now bedi asafojei Kumasi lawyer asafojei ona ekina muma ofumanfo. Na bedi asem no bedi ye no be ka se Kofi Buadwo kontire asase na wo wakwakotie mu no se tachimanfo dia no enye tachimanfo dia na yofumanfo dia ana Kofi Buadwo no koka se ana ye den na ofumanfo bebe som tachiman. Then the court the presiding judge ni ka se o na ye be chi prempe koye no ne kwasi broni di ofuman be she tachiman ase na ba de prempe sane baaye no bebe ye bibi ye fe no Ashanti Confederacy restoration of the Ashanti Confederacy in 1935. It started in June 1935 and it ended in January 1936. So the court on 8 December 1941 eka say ofuman ya santefo dia ofuman ya santefo dia na so ofuman oba manhia jiso kosi dade so abahene onim dade so abahene asafo wahun baby a mede wa be kire abakosem ofuman ya santefo dia na ofuman suma santia for be more than mfia hanu ansa ne be chi prempeko bachi prempa so koye na bebaye no bebe restoration no ofuman da so eba asante. Eti asase no by that judgment alone 8 December 1941 that judgment no. Ama wonye achinye so ofuman ka so som asante hene a. Achinye. Such ignorance. I am sorry to use this words. Because but I do that be a some issue. Because what make an be di matem. But me too mreno. No me chile see. Mere 8th December 1941. It was 32 hours a CS at no. Ne bangono. It is as Antene Gogasa. Obriboy. koye research mam nam na nanom bere ofuma na ebedia mra mpa ebedia because your judgment 8 December 1941 and the title of the case Kojo Safo versus Chief Ayensu and others an interpreter someone no Kofi Buadu. Another lesson yebesua fi that judgment himself. Touchy man ya wo se CA touchy free touchy man touchy free touchy man no. Around 1940s no na krontre fo no na was asase kese pa country and na ye kese nyina the present day touchy man touchy free na establish here no ono otena ho krontre busua and that touchy free na establish here no ni nuanum ma ni nuanum na chekere trobodom antanobo ase it is a basu beka se be suma sante hene a bentiye mpatwati ni amechire bentiye enti de yiri dia na mamede
ya ba be chire wisumu
ma bibi in 1824 Asante Fone Sir Charles McCarthy British na ko Sir Charles McCarthy
Sir Charles McCarthy
yes 1924 Asante Fone be Sir Charles McCarthy what is abako semda wonte da wo na me kama wati Asante Fone be Sir Charles McCarthy the battle of Nsamanko ba kwakontokwa no ne be yi sika ko tutu no sampa fo di sika bae sakwa fo di sika bae di baby fo di sika bae sampa fo di troops bae the baby for the true should buy. Circle for the true should buy. Broken for the true, cross for the true should buy. So when you have this test, no back say, yes, some manshia. It's just that some of our intellectuals are not prepared to read and learn. Some of our intellectuals, with due respect, are ignorant. And they are not prepared to shed away their ignorance. Benya badwini say bere benya ti asante no asante dia me dem say tuatua maso but we don't behave like that what in me kire na say we don't behave like that
okay
it was about 1941 it is a ofuma hene baha ni ofuma hene atem eni asante fo atem because 8 December 1941 other judgments dey bebre nyata na kama ma ada judge
time nti wo dia ye be koso a na otwe bia no ye be di nko
and so bi be ka kire se woni mu nwanse ana wate nwanse da ba bia kwaku firi wo no
mate din no
bosom kwaku firi nwanse wo ko nkira fa wo nwanse asase no kwaku firi the first no oto no 1000 and then 24 pounds
sabre na board ni pa
1958 December 1958 December 1958 na kwaku free the first oton 1024 pounds otwere one no why koma no why zero that is kwaku free to sasas no oto free branam fo bayan krata no dadie so abahene na sense because branam na dadie so abahene dia
asafo dadie so aba
wako hala okwa abramenam ena ye fe no branam okwa abramenam enti branam nchira subinso branam nchira subinso nwase benyina no nchira oba 1930 1920 bade 1926 bade we prepare ba 1924 no nchira fo na beba ha kuma beba chia 1926 no beko nsumankwa ho no bekotena tuo bodom nchira tanoboase beba bebre beko nsumankwa what you say Brinsu baba dade suaba menje nkurankwaja di baby baso baba kumasi a baba ko asem hene ho de ba kwa chia no na de ba ko manhia hard hard facts, gospel truth. Media da biam kasa. Media me sabio, me nya santini. Oba domasia me kasa, but no kura no meka.
No ana wo kan lawyer nana
no chato
obiri
chato. Woni me kura bia friend asukese. Asukese, boma asukese. Asukese yo wi for dia.
Enfo.
Onwe.
Ejoso onwe.
Asukese.
Ya beba bedi asukese won komo na ejoso won so.
Asukese na wu a o hye we are to for can fridge. Madam can mock. Yet to for can fridge. So me here no. Anko ya.
Omunsi.
What do you see? Na so me here nako. Na sante ne ka se mekobi. Ufo so ba na sante here na ye.
Dabi. Lawyer na no obiri bo aheno no. Abusian for the state of Ghana. Ana ugusu awutie nti lawyer ya beba US
Oko UK wakwadi okude August obedi akwasi de etiamra ona de no kwasi broni ate ase ore bedi okude ho kwasi broni ate ase ore bedi akwasi de ho anu so da bia bilim ba ba gene Ghana ha se waka asante asema be bibi si ba so mbe mpati but obey you nsaw we don't say Bashawasumo. Maybe I'm for Biahu. We are saying the truth as it is. Nakura, no come. Yaka, Oka Nakura Noa. Which have been my bidding the baby for. Gosso. Gosso says if I can say I am mem for dia.
I have Gosso.
Yes, after the brim more warm.
Yababa can who was him. Yababa can who was him, Debbie. Enti, lion and no briboy, and your chilling canona. A bunny history, dear. Don't go there. A group of Kabuaya. I have a pump, a come from and such as a crew. You may call the answer and a boy abutachi. Better de befi free. I don't children a boy free. I think I'm a Copoaconiano. For the Kuma Conya. I are chimney. Chubby. No, no, dear Copoaconiano. There's nothing wrong about that.
I have Santia said the medical canon. Apa abedu hwe na subscribe o hwa ma subscribe na wo comment na wo dia beto ho na no so ya kama sanse sebe ye dia dwenche ene ye bibia wa be kire wadwen na bibia akoso trend social media trend and am bibia sentinel aji bibia hwa na meka no mo so mfodi am no mete ho sa me na me ninkum me hwemo me sommo me boamo ama amamrani amanie ye de apejana na mo nkonwa ma akoso piao musa